Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren, and Merry Christmas to all of you. I am planning on posting this on December 25th, so if you're seeing this and it's Christmas Day, a Merry Christmas to you if you celebrate, and I hope that you're having a relaxing holiday season. Today's video is going to be on a piece that I picked up yesterday. I'm so excited because it is from Gucci. I feel like it's been a minute since I purchased something from Gucci. Actually, I got my Gucci slides, I think, in the summertime. Was it the summer or I don't know, early spring, something like that, but I haven't actually got a handbag or like a small leather good from them in a long time. My husband had bought me the Marmont, like one of the bags, it was like a black one. I can't remember the exact style, but he had bought me one and I ended up returning it just because I didn't know if I would use it. But now that they came out with that sort of silver hardware, oh, it's back on my wish list. So I love that silver hardware. It's beautiful. But anyway, I digress. I'm really excited because this piece is fairly hard to find. I first saw this on Minx for All because she is just a goddess when it comes to showing fantastic, versatile pieces. I'm sure if you follow me, you probably follow her. But she had showed this, I think, back in early summer. She had picked it up while she was away from YouTube, and if you go to her Instagram, she like shows it all the time, and she loves this. So I had to get it. Like I said, it's very hard to find. When she initially showed it, it was not available online and it wasn't available in store. You had to kind of pre-order it. When I checked online yesterday, they had it in store. So I have the actual Gucci store, like Gucci Vancouver here in Vancouver, as well as the Gucci store in Holt Renfrew. Both of them had it, and then the next available location in Canada is Montreal. So I think there's actually only 3 places in Canada that have it, so Vancouver and Montreal. So I went to the Holt Renfrew because I had to do some other shopping, and when she looked it up on her, I guess, the inventory, she said there was 2 left. So I grabbed one of them. So I don't know how I feel about this bag. Let me know. I feel like this gift bag, just, I don't really like it, but I mean, it's just the bag, so it doesn't really matter. The receipt is here, and then let me show you what this is. So here it is. Here it just says Gucci, and then she tied the little bow there. I haven't opened this up. Like I said, I picked it up yesterday. I saw it in store, but I want to do a little unboxing with you. So let me take this ribbon off without like ruining it. I think I can just go like that. And here we go. If you follow Minx, then you probably know what this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. There's a little dust bag, which is like this new kind of burlap-y type thing. So cute. So this is, I believe, let me see, it's called the Ophidia Gigi Key Pouch. It is so cute. So I don't have anything from the Ophidia line. I've always really loved the Ophidia line, and I do still want to get just like the Gucci Horsebit 1955, like this, I think it's the mini bag with this sort of canvas pattern on it, but oh my gosh, she is so cute. Look at this little thing. So essentially it is a key pouch. I haven't even taken, like I said, I haven't opened it, so I haven't taken anything off. So there's the gold zipper there, and it just says Gucci, and it zips all the way there. And then this part here is leather, and then they have sort of their green and red ribbon that they're known for. And then that's the back, and then there's a little bit of piping on the bottom here, which is also really nice. So there's some leather aspect to it as well as like the canvas aspect. So like I said, oh, I do have one Gucci canvas piece from like probably 25 years ago. I have one of the small little, I guess, I want to say it's a pochette because that's what I know from Louis Vuitton, but it's like a small little bag. Anyway, so let's open this little cutie up. There's a ton of stuff inside. Here we go. So yeah, this is brand new. Like I said, she said there was 2 left. I went in as well to get a pair of earrings, which I'll kind of show you here now. I wanted these 2 items, and it said the earrings were in stock, but they weren't. She was saying that there's a discrepancy between what's in stock and what's not, and she said that there was actually like 3 people in the day before that were looking for the same earrings. So here we go. Here, this is the hardware, and it just, I don't know if it says Gucci anywhere, or it does. It says Gucci, you can see, let me focus it. It just says Gucci, made in Italy there. This is really sort of heavy duty. It's pretty, I feel like this little buckle is heavier than the whole little key pouch in general. So to open this up, I haven't even played around with it. Okay, I remember Minx saying this. So you take this bottom bar here and you pull, and then it just slides like that. And that's really cool. It's fairly secure. So again, let me kind of show you. So you take this, you pull the bottom, and then you twist, and then it completely kind of opens up like that. So that's cool. So you can put your keys in it. So all the reviews that I've seen on this, everybody loves this, and they say it's like the Mary Poppins pouch essentially, because it can fit so much, even though it is relatively a tiny little piece and it is supposed to be a key pouch. For reference, I also have my Louis Vuitton clay right here, so you can kind of see, I feel like width-wise they're about the same. Yeah, because you can't really see the Gucci one behind it or the Louis Vuitton one there. So, but when it comes to this aspect here, you can see that this is much wider, so it can definitely hold a lot more. The drop on the key part right here, you can see that the Louis Vuitton one is longer. My Louis Vuitton one I've had now for about 6 years or so, so there's quite a bit of like discoloration to it there. So let's see what fits inside this little cutie here right now. I'm so excited to show you. All right, so I thought it might be fun to compare what fits in my mini pochette with this little key pouch here. So I took everything out of my mini pochette, so that was everything that I had in there. I just want to see how much of the items will fit into this little mini one right now. So let's take a peek. Okay, so let's see what fits in here. I have the cream blush. It's a fairly like kind of chunky blush, as you can kind of see. So we're just gonna open that, and that fits in, perfect. And then I'm gonna go with like kind of the larger items first. So this is by Merit. This is, I think, like their, I don't even know what this is called. It's some sort of like foundation concealing stick. I don't know if this will fit. Okay, maybe if I put this one in first, it will fit. Nope. Okay, so this is a little bit too big for it, so let's put this one back in. The next thing I have is going to be this Huda lip gloss. That fits in. And then I have my Marc Jacobs lipstick. And then I have a little perfume Travelo, I think that's what it's called. And then I also have another perfume here. This one is by Nest. And at this point, I think this is probably it. You can see it's pretty packed to the top. Let's see if it will actually, oops, this lid was not on correctly. Let's see if this actually zips up though. Ooh, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze. Okay, so it does zip up. You can kind of see where that perfume is jutting out there. So I don't think I would do that just because I don't want to ruin the zipper. I thought I would show you this option as a small wallet as well and how it would function. So currently I am using this wallet right here, which is by Balenciaga. You can see the size of it. It's actually fairly similar in size to this Gucci Affidia pouch. So I took everything out. So I'm not gonna show you the exact cards I had in, but I had 4 cards in that wallet. So I took 4 cards here. And please note inside, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it's essentially just an open like black hole. There's no like inner pocket or anything like that. It's just one compartment. So I'm gonna put those 4 cards in right there. And I like how wide this opens up so you can kind of see what you have. I have just one sort of dollar or $5 bill there. You would have to fold it, I think, in half. It would probably work, but I'm gonna fold it into kind of quarters like this. And then I do also have like a bunch of change here too. So quite a bit of change we're gonna throw in, and then that's how it would function as a small wallet. And I like that when you open it up, you're really able to see all the cards that you have. There's a lot of room, whereas with this sort of original clay that I have, it's a little bit harder to sort of take things in and out if you're using this as a wallet. That's one of the reasons why I only use this as a coin purse now. Now I'm gonna show you everything that I would essentially need to take with me in like a mini bag and how this would function as sort of a mini bag. So again, I have sort of 4 cards here. I have my keys, so my car key, the fob for my apartment building, as well as my house key. I have some change. I always like to take perfume with me, and then this lip gloss, and then some money there. I'm gonna attach my keys to this component here. So let's see how this kind of works. I just took this off my Louis Vuitton key, 6 key ring holder. So there are my keys that I would need to take sort of with me there. And then I have my 4 cards. And then I have some of that change, the bill, perfume, lipstick, and then there you go. And I definitely have room if I wanted to put in like some mints, or if I wanted to put in, I've seen some people put in like their disposable masks or anything in there, but there is still quite a bit of room. So I wonder if I could actually slip my keys in like this now. And okay, so with all my keys and everything in, I could not fit either my lip balm or my perfume in. Without one of those, it zips up with the keys inside. But to be completely honest, I probably wouldn't keep the keys inside if I were going out with it. I would take all my kind of keys out like this and just have it hanging there like that, and I would just take it, whoops, I don't know what part of this is. Oh, that's part of my house key. I would probably just grab and go like this, so my keys would hang off the side. But this does fit quite a bit, and in that case, if I wasn't putting my keys on the inside, I still have quite a bit of room to put, I don't know, it's probably only about halfway full at this point, so I could definitely fit a lot more. But I don't know, I don't really plan on using this as my key holder, just because, like I said, I do have my Louis Vuitton one right here that I still love. I'm so happy to have this cute little piece in my collection. Like I said, I am planning on using it more as like a small wallet or as a catch-all, say when this mini pochette is a little bit too big. Price-wise, I should let you know about that as well. So this is 510 Canadian. I think it's $390 American, which is fairly steep for like a mini, like little SLG like this. I believe the key pouch, the Louis Vuitton one, is $320. So this is about $200 more, but you can definitely fit more in. This I think is 690 Canadian. So, I mean, this is just, don't even get me started on that. But the crazy part is they actually have a cosmetic pouch for 510 Canadian as well. Gucci does. It's exact same as this, but it's bigger. It's about, I would say, double or maybe 2.5 times the size for the same price. So I don't know, that boggles my mind a little bit. I think because this is so cute and you can use it as a mini wallet, that's why the price is perhaps the same as the cosmetic pouch. I feel like maybe this is a little bit inflated, but I am happy that I have it. So, I can't wait to start using it. And because it's Christmas, I also have a giveaway for you. So my last giveaway, I kind of just snuck it into one of my videos and I didn't put giveaway in the title. Because it's the holiday season, I also have a giveaway. So I have a couple of things to give you. One is from the line. If you watched my gift guide of luxury items under 1,000, then you would have seen this. This is a company here based in Vancouver, woman owned. The founder is Reza. She's been so amazing and so supportive with my channel. So she gifted me this beautiful Saffiano leather agenda that will fit any sort of A5 inserts to me, and she said give it away to someone you love or to a subscriber. And so I thought, you have made my channel so amazing that I should definitely give it to one of you. Such an amazing job with this and really took every detail into account. There's some gold hardware there, and then I don't want to touch it too much, but it has like the gold there. It has space for you to put some important sort of documents, notes, business cards, anything like that. I will also link this in case you just are interested in getting one for yourself. I I love it. It's so beautiful. So whoever wins this, you're in for a treat. As well, she is going to gift the winner a $100 gift card to begin to build their 2022 agenda. She also has a ton of like really cool lifestyle items like tote bags and hats and things like that. So it's really exciting. She's just, I can't talk enough about Reza. She's honestly so awesome. Definitely go check out the site. I will link my agenda video down below. This is my 2022 agenda. It is ready to go. I can't wait to put it into my LV desk agenda here. I will link everything down below. I also have a coupon code to save 10% off your order. So thank you, Reza and the line, for being so generous. We'll also be gifting a gift card from Aritzia. This is not sponsored or affiliated with Aritzia. You know, I just love Aritzia. This is what the ones in store come with. They come with a little bag, but yours will be sent digitally. So it will be for $150 Canadian. Or if you're in the States, that's probably about just over $100. So I'll also be sending you a digital gift card. This is open to the States as well as to Canada, so just North America. Again, I'm sorry, my last giveaway, which was the Saint Laurent card holder, was only open to North America as well. I swear, I will have an international giveaway in the new year because I feel terrible because I know I have international subscribers. Like Danny, you guys are just so sweet and so kind, and I really need to show you my appreciation. So there will definitely be an international giveaway, but this one will be to North America. Again, Aritzia gift card, the line, Saffiano leather agenda, as well as a gift card to get you started on your own 2022 agenda. All right, so really quickly, sorry, I have to finish this on my phone because my camera died. I just talked too much. So in order to enter the giveaway, you have to be located in North America. Again, I will have an international giveaway, I promise you, in the new year. 2, subscribe to my channel. 3, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite Christmas dish is to eat. And then as well, leave me your Instagram handle. So my last giveaway that I did, which was for the Saint Laurent card holder, which Maria won. Hi, Maria, if you're watching this. I asked you to leave your Instagram handle, and some people had some troubles with theirs being deleted. Don't put the @ sign in front of it. Just put your name. So for mine, it's just L Valaket. So just leave your Instagram handle like that. Don't include the @ sign because I think YouTube sometimes filters through and then begins to delete some people. So yeah, that's the conditions in order to enter this giveaway. So thank you again for all the support with my channel. Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you soon. Bye.